This is probably the most requested video all over my YouTube and my Instagram asking where have I started my company secretary internship after completing the executive stage. For those of you who are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Khushi Arora and I'm a 20-year-old CS aspirant. I've completed my bachelor's in business administration from Symbiosis Center for Management Studies, Pune. When I was in my third year of college, I started pursuing the CS course and I gave in my entrance exam, and within 6 months I completed the executive stage, clearing both the groups with God's grace. Now, while I pave my way ahead towards the CS professional stage, I'm also pursuing the 21-month long training. And this video will be about where am I exactly doing this training from and the details about the internship, like what am I learning and what would I recommend you when you are also entering this training stage. So yeah, to reveal, I'm doing my CS internship at Tata Motors in Mumbai. I'm highly grateful for this opportunity because, as you know, it's a listed company, or listed company mein internship karna is every CS aspirant's dream. Am I right? So yeah, basically when I started my company secretary course, I decided that I want to do CS in employment. तो CS हम लोग as a professional भी pursue कर सकते हैं, हम अपना profession start कर सकते हैं, practice ले सकते हैं CS को basically, and हम employment में भी जा सकते हैं. So as I have decided that I will be doing the employment side, so I wanted to do my internship in a listed company. So how did I start applying for this was basically the major query जो कि काफ़ी लोग मुझसे पूछ रहे थे. तो बेसिकली आफ्टर एग्जीक्यूटिव, येस, इट इज़ वेरी टफ टू फाइंड इंटर्नशिप्स बिकॉज दीज डेज कंपनीज आर प्रेफरिंग कि आप अपने प्रोफेशनल की एग्जाम्स क्लियर करके आओ सो दैट यू डोंट आस्क फॉर लीव्स एंड यू आर मोर मैच्योर इन योर थिंकिंग एज अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी स्टूडेंट. But you can get lucky even after the executive stage based on vacancies in companies, which is what helped me get my internship. तो बेसिकली आपको करना क्या है, यू हैव टू रीच आउट टू पीपल थ्रू लिंक्डइन, वेदर दैट इज़ द HR ऑफ द कंपनी, लाइक वेरियस HRs होते हैं कंपनी के, लीगल डिपार्टमेंट में, कंप्लायंस डिपार्टमेंट्स के, एंड सेक्रेटेरियल टीम को आप कर सकते हो, कंप्लायंस टीम को कर सकते हो, लीगल टीम को कर सकते हो, जिस भी कंपनी में आपको करना है. तो keep your target that in a week you're at least reaching out to 20 to 25 companies and writing them a proper formal message. And yes, here मैं एक टिप देना चाहती हूँ. when I was reaching out to people, मेरे को 2 to 3 months के लिए कोई response नहीं आ रहा था. And the major mistake that I did here was that I was writing very long emails, very long messages on LinkedIn while I was reaching out to people, and that is what you should avoid. जो भी आपकी प्रोफाइल है वो आपका लिंक्डइन पे ऑलरेडी रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट, यू जस्ट हैव टू टॉक अबाउट योर इंटरेस्ट, दैट you know you want to do this internship at the secretarial team of this company, and you have cleared your CS executive exams in the first attempt or whatever that you want to talk about. ठीक है, तो उसको शॉर्ट रखो एकदम, एंड रीच आउट टू पीपल from the company itself and they will get back to you. And once they read your message, they will obviously get back saying कि share your resume करके, and that's your sign. ठीक है, उनको follow up करो every 3 to 4 days, I would say. Don't be annoying following them the same day or the next day itself. ठीक है, टाइम लगता है इन चीज़ों में, बट येस दिस वर्क्स. ठीक है, मेरे लिए यही टेक्निक काम की है, एंड देयर कैन बी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स एज वेल, लाइक ICSI का ट्रेनिंग पोर्टल जो होता है नाउ, पीपल हु वांट टू डू इट इन फर्म्स या फिर कंपनीज विच आर नॉट लिस्टेड, या फिर लिस्टेड है बट यू नो इतनी रिकोगनाइज नहीं है. आई थिंक मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा रिकोगनाइज्ड कंपनीज नहीं देखी ICSI के ट्रेनिंग पोर्टल पे, बट इफ़ देयर आर देन वेल एंड गुड, क्योंकि आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दैट पोर्टल फॉर द बिगनिंग फ्यू मंथ्स जब मैं इंटर्नशिप ढूंढ रही थी. तो आई थिंक उस टाइम पे रिक्रूटमेंट हो गई होगी, सारी वैकेंसीज फिलअप हो गई होगी, इसलिए आई एम सेइंग दैट, बट या, नो ऑफेंस टू दैट. इफ़ यू गेट योर लक देयर देन व्हाई नॉट, है ना. सो या, स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग फ्रॉम देयर एंड वैकेंसीज विल बी देयर इन ईच एंड एवरी मंथ. लाइक ऐसे बोलते हैं कि यू नो ओनली आफ्टर द एग्जीक्यूटिव के एग्जाम्स आर डन एंड रिजल्ट्स आर आउट, उसके बाद वैकेंसीज बढ़ जाती है. येस, दैट इज़ अ टाइम पीरियड, दैट इज़ अ सीजन ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट ऑफ CS इंटर्न्स, बट नहीं, हर महीने में भी वैकेंसीज रहती है, बिकॉज एज एंड व्हेन CS स्टूडेंट्स की इंटर्नशिप खत्म होती है देन दे हैव अ वैकेंसी, राइट. सो डोंट गेट इन टू दीज मिथ्स कि यू नो अभी तो पीरियड ही नहीं है ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट, तो अभी मैं नहीं करती हूँ ईमेल. डोंट थिंक ऑफ दैट, ईमेल करना है या लिंक्डइन पे मैसेज करना है, करो, ठीक है. कीप योर टारगेट्स एंड कीप योर होप्स अप ऑल द टाइम, ठीक है. दिस वर्क्स. Now, talking about what I am learning at Tata Motors, basically, as most of you would know, Tata Motors went through a demerger last year. So their commercial vehicles ka side, CV business and PV business, passenger vehicles, got split up. तो आई एम वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स टाटा मोटर्स पैसेंजर व्हीकल्स लिमिटेड, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हैरियर, सफारी, नेक्सॉन, ये सारी गाड़ियाँ होती है जैसे टाटा मोटर्स की. देन देयर EV business is also their electric cars का. देन JLR साइड इज़ ऑल्सो देयर जैगवार लैंड रोवर. ऐसे PV बिजनेस की काफ़ी सारी लिस्टेड सब्सिडरीज है, नॉन लिस्टेड भी है. तो एज एन इंटर्न यू आर एक्सपोज टू अ लॉट ऑफ फॉरेन सब्सिडरीज, इंडियन सब्सिडरीज ऑफ द कंपनी. तो अभी के लिए तो CV and PV वी ऑल आर ऑन द सेम फ्लोर. वी हैव अबाउट 5 to 6 इंटर्न्स ऑन द फ्लोर. तो वी डू इंटरैक्ट अलॉट एंड यू नो CV और PV में ऐसा कुछ स्प्लिट नहीं है. वी ऑल लर्न टुगेदर. So yeah, exposure wise this is a very nice exposure for secretarial learnings, क्योंकि Tata Motors being a listed company gives you a very premium exposure about listed company compliances, because Tata, as the name says, is known for corporate governance, is known for being so good with their compliances that learning as an intern from here will be unlimited. Literally every day I get to learn something new. It can be as tiny as the I for formatting, I for something very small. मतलब हम लोगों ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा. Those things also matter, formatting वगैरह हमारा, and deadlines कितनी matter करती है in a big company where so many deadlines are popping up every day. तो yes, these small things also make a very huge difference that you need to learn. And सिर्फ यही नहीं है कि law को पढ़ा, law को apply किया. These things also matter in making you a good company secretary professional. So yeah, माई इंटर्नशिप बेसिकली अभी मेरे को 1 month के ऊपर हो चुका है. लाइक इट्स बिन 1 month 10 days समथिंग. तो अभी recently they also had their annual general meeting, both the CV business and the PV business separately. So yes, we all were exposed to 2 AGMs. तो जो भी pre-AGM work होता है, post-AGM होता है, AGM वाले दिन होता है, we got to learn a lot from that. And all of my mentors are very supportive over there. I think most of my friends who I keep talking to, who are doing their internships in listed companies या फिर firms, the proximity with the mentor really matters, I would say, in the sense कि how approachable they are. If you need to learn something from them, and if you're making the same mistake all the time, and if you're starting something new, you need some push in the sense कि कहाँ से कैसे करना है. तो that really matters. And अभी तक whatever I'm doing, it's like 50-50%. कि 50% of the times I have to figure it out on my own, because everything is not served to you right away. आपको भी अपनी research करके जानी होती है. It's not कि बड़ी कंपनी है तो they will teach you everything. They also teach you कि खुद कैसे figure out करना है when there's something new. And of course, when something is very urgent, when something is very important, तो there is my mentor teaching me how to do things. ठीक है. So yeah, these were a couple of learnings that I wanted to share. There will be coming more and more, because it's a 21-month long training. So yeah, learning will never stop, and I will keep on sharing these things with you. For now, I think itna hi I can recall. But yeah, I am also, by the way, pursuing CS professional on the side, as I mentioned. So I will be giving my attempt in December this year. So yeah, you can stay tuned for strategies and how I'm pursuing, how I'm planning my routine every day with the internship going on the side. So yeah, these are the things I really wanted to put out. I know it's been a really long time that I made a video for the channel for all of you aspirants just like me, and I've been getting so many requests on YouTube and Instagram. I'm so sorry I'm not able to reply to them. It's just, when you're balancing studies with work, it gets very hectic. I hope people who are out there pursuing their internship and their studies alongside can relate to me. So yeah, that's it for now. And yes, I am planning a strategy video, more like a routine video of how you can pursue your professional stage along with the internship, on by basically sharing how I am doing it on almost regular basis. So yeah, you can also follow along with that. for that you will have to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And yes, please do drop in any of your questions, anything that you want to say to me in the comment section, and I will surely read it and reply to it. I mean, I will try for it. But yes, thank you so much for all of your support all this time. And yes, I wish you all the best for finding your internship and for becoming a good future company secretary. Let's rock it.